Welcome back everyone. This video is about how to color drop down menu. For example, we have drop down lists and I would like to just color the drop down list based on those items. For example, in this drop down I have two items, two things. The first is done, the second one is not done. If we press done, so it will color this cell green. If we press not done, so it will color that red. Same to that all the cells. So if you have other cells, other items also in your drop down, so you can choose color based on that. So how to do it? So let's start the video. So let's first of all create drop down list. So to create that, select all these cells and let's move to data tab. In the data tab, come here to data tools and here press the data validation. After pressing data validation, select here list. After selecting list, we have two things. The first one is done, second one not done. And press OK. So it will create drop down list in all cells which we have selected. These are the drop down lists. So now we will move to conditional formatting to format it. So select again these cells, go to conditional formatting, new rule, use formula to determine which cells to format, and write here the formula equal to, select the first cell, then press 2 times F4 to make the column fixed, equal to done. If it was done, so then format it and fill it with green color. Press OK. Press OK. Again conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula equal to, select the first cell, press 2 times F4, equal to not done, and format it and change the background to red color. Press OK. Press OK. So now let's do it. For example, let's press done. So change the background has been changed. Not done, background has been changed. So as you saw, we can color the drop down list like this based on the items that we have in our drop down list. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.